Is your productivity stopped because AAC Audio Codec Engine can't find the AAC Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To begin our AAC library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the AAC library. This library provides the high-efficiency advanced audio coding, HE-AAC, or AAC v2 decoding and encoding logic. It is optimized for maintaining high audio fidelity at extremely low bit rates. It is a mandatory dependency for several streaming media players and radio broadcasting tools. Its absence results in unsupported format or codec initialization failure when attempting to play modern low-bandwidth audio streams. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Because AAC Library DLL is specific to the AAC Audio Codec Engine runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program, where the error occurs, to refresh the application and restore the file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with AAC Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A vital technical reminder, modifying AAC Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files. Your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for AAC library references. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and AAC library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.